Good evening, parents. My name is Jose Enriquez, principal of Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy. Welcome to our annual open house, where you will have the opportunity to learn about what is happening in our school. You will find that Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy is a place where learning means more doing. Safety comes first. Safety is a major priority. Before we can even begin the educational process, it is our responsibility to be sure that your child is safe at our school each and every day. Some of the safety measures included this year are all students wearing ID badges. We make sure that all students are in uniform daily. Increased training of our security monitors, and a Raptor system at the front door, which is a system of security check, and all guests visit our school. All classroom doors are locked throughout the day. A full-time officer is located on campus on a daily basis, and additional student service personnel have been added this school year. As the school year progresses, we will be discussing and implementing even more safety measures. At Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy, we pride ourselves in our continuous quest to make learning interesting and relevant by providing multiple opportunities for hands-on learning experiences. These experiences occur primarily through our research and lab courses, but also in each and every course, including electives. Now, we have a few school rules that I'd like to go over, so please take the time with your child to review each of the following school rules that will help him or her achieve success. So number one is be punctual. Be on time, particularly in the morning, though also students need to be on time to their classes. Number two is be a respectful human being. That is a very important aspect, and it will go a long way in your child's success. Third, have a positive attitude. Very important. And fourth, complete all assignments. It's not a good idea to just miss assignment here and there. Make sure all assignments are done so you do well on your tests. And the most important rule, number 5, is to take responsibility for your own learning. So we need to get our students to take responsibility, checking their grades, telling themselves to improve, finding ways to help themselves. That's the ultimate goal, to make them responsible for their own learning. Now, let me talk about arrival and dismissal traffic. Because of the nature of our school, many parents transport their child on a daily basis, which creates unfortunate traffic jams both in the morning and afternoon. Getting here early is the key. I cannot stress that enough. Arriving at 7 a.m. instead of 7:15 or 7:10 makes all the difference in the world. Try to be here early, and that makes a big difference. In addition, at dismissal, you may consider allowing your child to use the media center for 1 hour and a half each day after school. Remember, there are two means of picking up your child. We have the main parking lot and the bus ramp. Parent involvement is very important to the success of our school and your child. Number one, we highly recommend that you join social media, especially Twitter and Facebook. Every day, Twitter, we have the announcements, and we also like to highlight lots of children and their success. We update parents on a daily basis with our useful information about our school and continuously document all of our students and school achievements. Number 2, download the Dade Schools app from both Android and Apple. Just look up Dade Schools in your cell phone and you will find the free app. And number 3, become a PTSA member and consider joining the Educational Excellence School Advisory Council, also known as ESAC. You may simply join the PTSA and even consider becoming a board member to get more involved with our school. Please be sure to stop by the PTSA office located on the 2nd floor in room 1202. Again, thank you for joining us here tonight, and as you move about our building, please feel free to speak to me about our school and your child. Have a nice evening.
Good evening, parents, and welcome tonight to the 2019-2020 Open House. We hope that tonight proves to be beneficial for you to meet all of your children's teachers and to find ways to better support your child at home. One of the ways that we can help you with the supporting of your child in their academic conquests is through the counselors. We have 4 counselors that are available to them. For all students who have letters A through M as the last name, their counselor will be Ms. Pelaez. Students whose last names begin N through Z, their counselor will be Ms. Estrada. We also have Ms. Ferreira. She is also available for assistance for all students. And we have our CAP advisor, Mr. Milian, who is utmostly essential, particularly for the seniors, but he is also available for all high school students in their quest to gain academic admission into higher universities. So I encourage you to have communications with them as well as your teachers. With respect to communication, we encourage you all to utilize our website. Our website has all of our teachers' emails, web pages, and if some of them have Twitters or Instagrams or Remind, that information is also available through our website. The gradebook is also another fantastic way of being able to communicate with your teachers and to keep tabs on where it is that your child is and where it is that they may need assistance. Please check the gradebook regularly. If you have not set up the notifications on your gradebook app, please come by and see me and I'll be glad to show you how to get that done. That'll make your life a whole lot easier. Our uniforms, we are a uniform school, but we do have something unique on Tuesdays. We have T-shirt Tuesdays. This is where they can wear the T-shirts that they have purchased for their class or their clubs. So they are allowed to wear T-shirts on Tuesdays. We do require all students to wear an ID, as well as jackets that have no hoods and have a zip front. They may wear cardigans. We just need to be able to see that they have their correct school polo and their ID on at all times. And all this is part of the way that we help ensure safety and we make sure that the kids are focused on the academics here at the school. We do have a very rigorous curriculum here and we provide them a seamless way to get into high school, and our teachers work together to ensure that what they're getting in middle school is definitely going to be beneficial for them in high school. Again, thank you so much for coming here this evening and we hope that you find it helpful. And again, reach out to me via email whenever you may need, and I am always available if you need assistance. Thank you and have a good evening.
Good evening and welcome to Miami-Dade County Public Schools 2019-2020 Open House. And congratulations, because parental involvement is one of the most powerful factors in student achievement. Tonight, you'll meet and interact with your child's principal, teachers, and counselors, all of whom play important roles in your child's education. Miami-Dade County Public Schools is once again an A-rated school district. Our graduation rate is almost 90%. And for the third year in a row, there are no F-rated schools in Miami-Dade. We continue to accelerate excellence through exciting academic programs and innovative choice options. The school board has invested heavily in school safety, and all schools can again count on having a resource or safety officer assigned to them. The state has taken an active role in maintaining safety with Fortify FL, a suspicious activity reporting tool that allows users to instantly relay critical information to law enforcement agencies and school officials while remaining anonymous. Make sure you download the Dade Schools mobile app, where you can access Fortify FL and other important resources, including emergency notifications, class and bus schedules, grades, and much more. And recognizing that mental wellness matters, our Department of Mental Health Services continues expanding to coordinate and facilitate services for students who need them. An exciting year of learning lies ahead. On behalf of the school board and the faculty and staff at your child's school, thank you for joining us this evening, and best wishes for a successful school year.